Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily pin recycle bin to your start on Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people would come here they will like, oh damn, it's really helpful. So how to do it and what you can do it. First thing first, you just find recycle bin, and then you're gonna right click on it, and then you're gonna see pin to start under empty recycle bin. Right then you can see we have got it right here pinned, and that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works, and yeah, thank you, have a great day and goodbye, see ya.